want to eat pizza, so decided at home make it myself to eat.
Today's pizza ingredients are very casual, just put whatever you like to eat. The most important thing is that the method must be simple, right? So today's pizza doesn't require rolling out the dough at all. Making pizza at home allows you to load it up with your favorite ingredients. Every bite is super satisfying. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: roti prado, artificial crab sticket, pineapple, cheese, cherry tomato, button mushrooms. I used canned mushrooms for convenience, but of course you can use fresh mushrooms too. Wash the mushrooms and slice them thinly for later use. Cut the pineapple into small pieces and set aside. Wash the cherry tomatoes and slice them for later use. After thawing the crab sticks, remove the outer wrapping paper. Then carefully tear them apart and cut into shreds. Crab sticks can also be cut into cubes, or simply have prepare them however you prefer. Their vibrant color makes the pizza look even more appetizing. Crab sticks are a type of processed seafood product made primarily from surimi fish paste. They are engineered to mimic the texture and flavor of real crab meat through special processing and seasoning. With their bright orange and white stripes, they are commonly used in dishes like sushi, salads, and pizzas. Place the frozen burrata directly on the baking tray. If thawed, it becomes soft and sticky, making it difficult to handle. Spread a thick layer of tomato sauce evenly over the burrata base. Arrange the sliced mushrooms, pineapple, and crab sticks in layers over the base. Add as many ingredients as you like. If you love them, pile them on. Every bite will be packed with flavor and utterly satisfying. After covering the base with cherry tomatoes, generously sprinkle a layer of cheese over the top. I didn't add any extra seasoning, as I believe the natural combination of ingredients already tastes delicious. What's more important is enjoying the original flavors of the ingredients. It's healthier that way. It's ready to bake. This oven has a dedicated pizza mode. Just set it to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for 12 minutes using the steam bake function. I used the remaining ingredients to make another pizza in a round container. This one is even more generously loaded, almost like eating baked lasagna. The aroma of the baking pizza fills the entire house, rich with the scent of melted cheese. The fragrant pizza is freshly out of the oven. Just smelling it makes my stomach growl with hunger. I love sprinkling some Cajun seasoning and coarsely ground black pepper over my pizza. If you have chili powder at home, add a bit for an extra kick of flavor. The sweetness of pineapple and cherry tomatoes bursts with juicy freshness, balancing the savory flavor of the crab sticks. The tender mushrooms add an earthy depth, while the melted cheese wraps everything in a rich, creamy embrace. Each ingredient shines yet harmonizes perfectly, creating a vibrant, satisfying slice that's both comforting and exciting. From a nutritional perspective, this pizza achieves a complementary balance of diverse ingredients. Crab sticks provide high-quality protein and a small amount of omega-3. Mushrooms are rich in dietary fiber and fungal polysaccharides. Cherry tomatoes contribute vitamin C and lycopene, while pineapple offers B vitamins and natural enzymes. Cheese serves as an important source of calcium and casein, forming a complete nutritional framework together with the whole wheat crust. It's worth noting the nutritional balance brought by the ingredient ratios. The combination of seafood and fruits, vegetables effectively controls saturated fat, while the lycopene in tomato sauce becomes more easily absorbed after baking. The colorful mix of fruits and vegetables creates a natural antioxidant matrix. Particularly, the pairing of crab sticks and pineapple reduces sodium content while enhancing mineral absorption through fruit acids. Compared to traditional pizza, this combination significantly improves nutritional density. Mushrooms replace some of the meat, reducing cholesterol intake. The dietary fiber in cherry tomatoes slows carbohydrate absorption, and the whole wheat crust provides sustained energy. The self-controlled seasoning method avoids excessive sugar and salt commonly found in pre-made sauces, achieving a balance between flavor and health. It is recommended to pair the pizza with dark leafy greens to further increase satiety through added dietary fiber. Using low-fat cheese can reduce calories by 30%, and controlling the amount of pineapple to within 1/4 cup helps better balance fructose intake. Overall, this is a creative dish that satisfies both the palate and nutritional needs. The steam bake mode keeps the pizza crust perfectly moist and tender, preventing it from drying out. It ensures even heating throughout, allowing the cheese to melt beautifully without overcooking the toppings. This method locks in the natural juices of the ingredients, resulting in a flavorful and satisfying bite every time. Palate and nutritional needs. Pizza originated in Naples, Italy, initially as a simple flatbread made by the poor using flour, oil, and spices. In the late 19th century, tomatoes and cheese were added, forming the prototype of modern pizza. It spread to the United States with Italian immigrants and was popularized across Europe after World War II by American soldiers. By the 1980s, it had become a global fast food icon, now featuring diverse styles such as New York thin crust and Chicago deep dish. Opt for a thin whole wheat crust and reduce cheese by half, using chicken breast, seafood, and vegetables as main toppings. Limit each serving to 1 slice and pair it with a large leafy green salad to slow down sugar absorption. Replace high-calorie sauces with tomato sauce and use the steam bake mode to reduce all intake. For elderly individuals, it is recommended to choose a soft thin crust and pair it with easily digestible ingredients such as fish, mushrooms, and steamed vegetables. Keep each serving to no more than 1/4 of the pizza, and prioritize steam baking to reduce all content and hardness. Be sure to use half the usual amount of cheese, avoid processed meats, and serve with warm vegetable soup to aid digestion. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for VO vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.